Welcome back, Year 6. Practice time. I know you love it. Even if you don't, I don't care. First one. Write 60% as a fraction and fraction and as a decimal. I'll do this first one with you. Quick reminder. Percent equals per 100. That is how we write per 100. So we've got 60 over 100, 60 per 100. That's our fraction. To make that a decimal, you read down as division. This should all be on your cheat sheet. And dividing by 100 means that we move our decimal point over 2 times. Drop it in there. And let's use a 0 to let everyone know that there is a decimal point there. And so we get 0.60. You don't need to write in the second 0 because it doesn't tell you anything extra about the number. 0.6 and 0.60 are the same. There you go. That's the first one. Now, no more help. Unless you ask nicely. Next one. 90 over 100. So we're starting in the middle of our little flowchart. I'd like you to tell me what that is as a percent and what that is as a decimal. Use your cheat sheet. Work it out now. And this is what you should have got. 90 over 100 is the same as 90 per 100, which is 90%, and you've just told yourself the answer, 90%. To change a fraction to a decimal, we read down as division. Dividing by 100 means move the decimal point twice. Drop it in there and add a 0 so everyone can see it. And you get 0.90. Remember, this is optional, so you don't always need it. 0.9 and 0.90 are the same, and you can write either. Okay, hope you went all right with that one. Next one. Let's start at the other end of our flowchart with 0.57. And I'd like you to time warp that back to a fraction and then back to a percentage. We're going back to the fraction. How do you turn a decimal into a fraction? Think about the time warp. To get a fraction to a decimal, you moved the decimal point that way to make the number smaller. Now, we're going to time warp and move it back and replace what was there before. 0.57 is what as a fraction? $57 over 100. And that is what as a percentage? Per 100 is percent, so 57%. Okay, good. Next one I'm not telling you the answer to, and you are bringing it in to class tomorrow. I would like you to bring me in the answer to 0.37, time warping back to fraction, and also a percentage. So this is going the opposite way to our flowchart. We're starting at this side and moving in, which I think you can do. Use your cheat sheet. Remember which strategies you're using. 0.37 as a fraction, as a percent. And I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.